Hi, I'm Tanya with Tanya's Creations. This year, I'm starting a hair journey to increase my hair growth and hair health. This morning, I would like to share with you a protein drink that I'm going to be using to help with that. I started this drink yesterday, but I'm going to show you some of the things that I'm using in my drink and how beneficial they are to hair growth. So these are some of the things that you need to make this drink, just in case you want to do it. You need a blender. So I'm going to show you the first ingredient that we're going to use is milk. And I have a cup of soy milk. That's the milk I drink. You can use whatever milk you drink. I'm just going to pour that in. Soy milk has, 1 cup has 6 grams of protein. So we've got that. I also use in here, and I will add that last because I want to make, this shake comes out pretty thick. So I always add at least 4 ounces of water to it once I get everything else in there, just to kind of help it loosen up a little bit. So soy milk already has 6 grams of protein. So the next thing I'm using is whey protein. I don't know if you've heard of whey protein, but it has 20 grams of protein in it per scoop. And it has 9 essential amino acids, which are very good for hair growth. So I'm going to show you the bag. And I decided, I've had this for a little while because I've used it in the past, but I don't know if you can see it. Well, no, there you go. But I'm deciding I need to finish that bag off, so why don't I just do it? So I'm going to use this up. All right, I got about a bag left there. So this is what the whey protein looks like. It's just powder, and I'm just going to add it in here. So that adds 20 grams of protein. And whey protein is also a complete protein. So that's good stuff. The next thing I'm incorporating this time, it's my first time doing this, is pea protein. Pea protein, I found, is easily digestible, which is good. It's made with yellow peas, and it has 24 grams of protein per scoop. So let me show you what a scoop looks like. This pea protein. Never tried pea protein, but I'm excited about. So that's a scoop. You just put a whole scoop in here of that. There's different brands, of course, of these things that you can research. Also, pea protein is high in iron. It has 8 milligrams of iron. My goodness, that's good stuff. And it's easily digestible. I'm just liking all what I'm learning about these things, and I think this is going to be good. I'm going to try this for at least 30 days just to see what it does. Also, I add in this some wheat germ. Now, wheat germ doesn't have protein, but it does have vitamin E, 100% vitamin E. And what I'm going to do is just add a tablespoon, because that's a serving. That's a serving. 100% vitamin E, which is really good for you. It's really good for your hair too. The next thing I'm going to add is an egg. Eggs are 6 grams of protein and very good for your hair. I know some people don't like eating raw eggs like in a drink, but I've done this before in another shake that I used to do. But the powerful thing about the egg is biotin. It's full of biotin. So one egg, just one egg, has 27% of your biotin, and that's just amazing to me. So you don't have to add the egg if you don't want to yours. There we go. I just want to make sure I get the shell, and I didn't do that. So that's in there. So we have everything in there that I'm going to have in this shake. And now I'm going to pour 4 ounces of water. I'm just going to add 4 ounces of water because, like I said, this is really a thick shake. And I'll use this glass. I'm done. All right, so the last thing is just whipping it all up here. I'm going to blend it. it for a few minutes. I think that might be good. Let's see how it tastes. Like I said, I did this once already yesterday. You just pour it in your glass. You want to get a glass that's big enough to fit it all in. Looks like I just made it. I have just a tiny bit left in there, which I'll add once. But I'm glad I added that because it's coming out a lot looser. I can drink it better. If you like, you can add a banana or some strawberries if you need that extra flavor. But I have the whey protein that has, it's a vanilla flavor, so I'm okay with that. But let's see how it tastes. It's good. You don't really taste wheat germ. I've had in other shakes, and I've added wheat germ oil, which is what this is, but I also had wheat germ, the raw material wheat germ, and you can really taste it because it has a strong taste. You really don't taste it in this like that. And the pea protein, I don't really taste that either. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Please click on the subscribe button, the like button, follow me on my hair journey. This is what I'm going to be drinking for 30 days, and it's doable. Thanks for watching. Bye.